Hey guys, welcome back to Sparkplug TV. I know y'all are probably thinking, what am I looking at? Well, it's the ground. As I want to show you, if you watched the last episode and you read my little tag that I kind of messed up the clear coat because I didn't read. That's what it looks like. So I tried to fix the other lens and that didn't work. So we got new lenses. Let's get them in. Alright, so let's go ahead and pop this hood open. Set that right there. I'll pull these headlights out. And for me, all I need is a screwdriver. You can watch some of the other videos like on the Cat Eye Silverado. You really don't need any tools to replace your headlight lenses. I just need them for, you know, getting the two mounting bolts out. Just need the screwdriver for that. But other than that, this really doesn't require very many tools. And I break my screwdriver. How about that? There we go. So, I'm just gonna unbolt it. I'm special. I put dress-up bolts on my stuff. I do not recommend doing this. It is a pain in the butt. Yeah, all we do is unbolt it. Pull the lens out. Undo that right there. Don't like all of this expanding foam packaging because then it makes it a pain in my butt to unwrap it. Then you just got to pull these little tabs off. I like to just push them in and pull, just like that. I'm going to come in here, place the headlight bulb in, lock her down, turn signal bulb, figure out which way it goes in. There it goes. Lock her down. Pull back the protective film enough to get it on the car. I always like to just peel it all the way off. Just because I know it's not going to go anywhere if it's connected to the lights. And just slide that lens back on in. And just like that. Now, we take our bolts, drop them in there. Is this one biting? Oh. No, I don't think it is. There we go. Now I got the lens in there. And why is my bolt not threading in? Sorry everybody, technical difficulties here. Oh, I see why. There we go. Man, that fits a whole lot better. Now that I have it in right. When I pull the other one off, I will make sure to get a close-up of what makes these a pain in the butt. And just like that, we got a new lens installed. Now all you gotta do is rinse and repeat on the other side. So I will see you guys when it's done. So, on the Nissan Sentra that I have, there's this little tab right here. And there's actually a slit like this in the headlight. So it mounts flush here. So the lens sits flush here, but there's actually backing here which this is holding on to, which always makes it a pain to line the headlight into the car. But it's not too terribly difficult. Just make sure if you have one of these cars that you're watching this, or it could break your lens. Alright guys, as you can see, these look way better than before, obviously. It's kind of my fault that I had to do this one, because I did spray the clear on the headlights and then try to fix it and royally failed. But I will say, I'm very, very happy with the outcome. If you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe.